So guys, welcome back to Guitar Tips, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to fix and how we can fix this up. So let's dive into the solution. And if you're for the first time to our channel, then don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. So let's move to the solution. The first one is all about you have to increase the virtual RAM. That is what you have to do. So to do this, you just have to move over here on the search, and you have to search for View Advanced System Settings. You have to open this. From here, you just have to click on Settings. Now from here, over here, you just have to change this to Custom and move to Advanced. From here, you have to click on Change. And now as you can see, there is a default value which is given for the initial size, as you can see. Now you have to change this to 4096 for the initial value. In the same way, for the maximum size also you have to change this to 4096. Once it is done, you just have to go for OK, and you have to try, and you have to check whether you're done with the issue or not. Even if it's not working, then you don't have to worry. We have solution number 2. Solution number 2 is all about you have to update your graphic drivers. So to do this, you just have to go over here on this PC, right click and go to Properties. And from here, you just have to go over here. And what you have to do is you just have to navigate to Device Manager. Now click on Device Manager. Now from here, what you have to do is, as you can see, you have to go over here on Network Adapters. You have to go to Display Adapters. And as you can see, my graphics card is AMD Radeon RX 5700. So I just have to right click and go for Update Driver. Then I just have to go for Search automatically for drivers. And if the drivers are up to date, you will be getting a message like this. And if it's not up to date, you will be getting a message like you have to update the driver. That is what you have to do. Once it is done, you just have to try to play the game, and most probably the issue has to be fixed. Even if it's not working, then we have solution number 3 and 4 as well as. So let's move to solution number 3. Solution number 3 is all about you have to go over here. The solution number 3 is you have to close background task. If anything is running in the background which is draining out your performance, you'll be having the trouble on the loading screen. So you just have to go over here and right click and go to Task Manager. Right now, as you can see guys, now the Adobe Premiere Pro is running in my background because I am editing the videos, so that's why. So if it is not needed, you just have to right click over here and go for End Task. Then you just have to see, and most probably in the same way, simultaneously you have to end the task which is not necessary. One by one you have to check, and most probably this has to be fixed. And even if it's not working, the last and the least one is all about you have to update your Windows. That is what you have to do. We can go over here and you can navigate to Settings. You can navigate to Settings, and you can update your Windows over here. You can update your Windows, and most probably by trying out these, the issue has to, right? So these are the basic steps which you have to try out when you're having an issue on stuck on loaded screen, and how you can fix this up. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.